Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel bracket, and display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Partially remove the display panel cable from the routing channel that secures it to the display enclosure to gain access to the left display panel hinge. Peel back the retention tape that secures the webcam cable to the left display panel hinge. Remove the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead and one 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Remove the left display panel hinge from the alignment pins and retention tab on the display enclosure and remove. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel hinges.